Hello, welcome to the wonderful world of photography. David Bradley here. I'm continuing on with my Lost Image series. These were pictures that were printed 6x8, and they were in boxes in the garage, and I had completely forgotten about them. But was very excited to open them up and see what was what. And here we have a fitness model lady that I worked with from time to time. I met her through some TV shows and other endeavors, and one day she approached me about shooting her, which I readily agreed to do my best to capture her as best as I could. She had remarkable features and stunning eyes. And I believe I did enter this picture into a contest and did win Best Portrait. I think with this picture. If it wasn't this picture, it was one like it. Anyway, what I really liked about this, besides the fact that it was black and white, because black and white is magical, is how we were able to get her well lit on one side and mysteriously dark on the other side. But above all, if you gaze into her eyes, they are piercing, and they say so much, and yet they say nothing. Indeedy do. Perhaps I'll do another video. I'll do it much closer in on just her eyes. They are magical. Anyway, great lady, great fitness model, um, great mother, and it was an honor to work with her. And of course, now forever, ever, ever, ever more, this picture has been captured. Her image has been saved, and I'm really pleased. So, thanks for coming. Perhaps I will do another video in a moment. I don't like zooming around while recording because these are still pictures and I like to have them still, and they are still. I'm set up on a tripod. I carefully pick a frame, which is essentially cropping because there is a little bit more to this picture than is here, but not much. So, thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. Ooh, there's my hand. All right. Bye for now.